My name is Jean Cooper. I am a professor of graphic design at Keiser University. The good thing about this program here is that it's kind of short and gives an opportunity for a student to be introduced to many of the aspects of graphic design. You're going to take a class in digital photography, and at the same time, you'll learn Photoshop. You'll learn how to create illustrations with Illustrator. You'll create a website. It's a nice fan of opportunities. So once the student comes out from this program, the student will be able to be introduced in the workforce with a good understanding of the discipline of graphic design as a whole. What I would like my students to be prepared for is the challenges that we face nowadays in graphic design. There is a lot of talk with artificial intelligence and how graphics might be affected by it. My goal is to prepare my students by offering them not only the technical aspect of graphic design, but also critical thinking, because that brings the humanity, which is what we have to fight and to face all the challenges that we're facing in the future. Everything that you look around, there is a picture, a piece of text, something. It's screens, it's magazines, it's books, it's signs around. Graphic designers are really needed because all of these apps that you see, everything that you see needs a graphic designer. If you really want this, you can do it, because I am prepared to offer you everything that's necessary for you to go out there and do the best in this environment. I truly have a passion for teaching, and I have the conviction that my experience can be of help to anybody of any age that feels like they want to experience this program. I really know my craft, so I know I can help you.